Hi, welcome back. In this video, we will explore the Asset Manager, a powerful tool for managing digital assets within vDesigner. To open the Asset Manager, open your mobile application. Expand the left panel. Click the Asset Manager option to open the window. The Asset Manager is a web-based dashboard that enables you to import and export various media files, including images, videos, audio files and binary files. These media assets, referred to as excerpts, can be used across web and mobile applications built using vDesigner or vFlow. To import media from your local device, click on Import and select the file, image, video or audio from your system. Assign a name and relevant tags to your asset. Click Save to successfully add it to the Asset Manager. Once uploaded, your file will be visible within the Asset Manager, ready to be used in your projects. To download an asset, click on Export next to the desired file. The file will be downloaded to your local device in zip format for easy access. The Asset Manager provides sorting options to organize and display assets based on storage type, file name, and last updated. Additionally, you can switch between two viewing modes: List View that displays assets in a structured list format and Tile View that shows assets as visual tiles for quick reference. With these features, the Asset Manager helps you efficiently manage and integrate media files within your applications. Thank you for watching, and happy learning.